in almost 3 years ago, and I'm still happy for being here tonight because even though I am not a resident here in this place, still a lot of people around still accepted me as I am.
Alright. Well said. Repeat your question. Let's go to politics. Okay. What should be, your question is like this. What should be the priority of our government? There are three options. First, peace and order. Second, education. Third is health and why. What should be the priority of our government? Peace and order, education, or health and why?
Actually, to be honest, the health is very important in our economic stability. Even what is the first, sir? Even the peace and order. But I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that try to move our economic predicament right now. I believe that we are all experience the poverty and how we can able to lessen it, of course, by the education. They should have to focus by having or by they should have to focus by having the free education for everyone, because that is very, very important. And why did I say so, implementing of it? Because that would be a great legacy that brothers in this country, that whether we will experience different kind of trials and obstacles, still, that once each of us will be educated, we can able to have a good job. We will never and ever experience the crisis or even poverty. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that the education is always the strongest foundation that the human being will ever have. So, ladies and gentlemen, we should pursue that the youth will benefit with it. If it is allowed to have a free education for everyone, then definitely, what would we see? A beautiful Philippines, a remarkable Filipino people that could thoroughly and comprehensively understand in every way that the world has to offer, because education is like a gold mine. Nobody could take it. As what my mother had said, where I, in the poverty level, were 3 children and I am the youngest, we're not that rich, but then definitely we have moved forward because poverty is not an hindrance to success. Well, as long as you know that you want to pursue your life,